I have 2 plants which I grew from a branch. I currently have them in a shady place with about 2.5 hours of sun. In August, 1 flower bloomed. Now the first week of October, 4 flowers are blooming. Can you tell me the name of this plant and how to care for it? I want to plant it in the ground, but I assume I waited too long this year. I wanted to plant it in the front yard, which gets a lot of sun. Thank you. And this is Angela from Durham, North Carolina. So we thank you for that picture, Miss Angela. Can we help Miss Angela out with that? Do we know what that is?
Yeah, Miss Angela, that is a rose, they need full sun.
Yes.
And you can plant it this time of year, be excellent, because it's fixed to go into dormancy and then plant it as a bare root. But it won't do in the shade that you have it. If it's 2 hours of shade, it's not. It needs to be moved in the full sun.
It needs to be moved to the full sun. I'm surprised it got a bloom out of it.
Yeah, but you did good to get it to root.
Yeah,
that's
did very good.
Roses are hard to get to root.
Yeah, from a branch. I mean, that's excellent, Miss Angela. But yeah, definitely put it in full sun because roses are going to need full sun. And yes, you can plant it here in the fall, and it'll be fine.
Plant it now and water it in. Good.
Water it in good. Yeah, that'll be good, and I think you'll be fine. So thank you for that picture. But yeah, that's an awesome job to get it to grow.
Yeah.
To get it to root, get it to grow, and get blooms in 2.5 hours or so, but it wants full sun. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.